guys, Marshall with Camp Addict, and we've got the Micro-Air EasyStart we're going to install into Kelly's air conditioner. They provide instructions both in written form and great instructions on their website. The instructions you follow are going to be dependent upon what model air conditioner you have, so we're not going to get into specifics here. Basically, you need to find a place to install the EasyStart, and in this case, we are going to install it against this wall here.
Can't really see it, but
And we'll put some double-sided tape on there, and the idea is to get this wiring harness over to where the existing capacitors are. So we're going to have to run it through this wall. We're going to bring it along this wiring harness here. We're going to secure it with zip ties. And what we had to do is we had to open up this box here, which is where the existing capacitors are. So you're going to want to tie the EasyStart wiring into this wiring harness here, dependent upon the instructions, and we're going to utilize the wiring diagram of this particular air conditioner matched up to the wiring diagram that EasyStart provides, and make sure that we connect everything in the right position, and we'll get back to you with that. We originally installed the EasyStart directly in the hot exhaust from the compressor fan, as this was the largest area available. The installation guide did not say anything about this being a bad location, but we did stumble across a warning on the EasyStart website stating to not install it in the hot air exhaust. If you think about it, this makes sense, as you want the EasyStart to remain as cool as possible, and having it in the hot air defeats its purpose. We ended up installing the EasyStart inside the compressor fan compartment as shown. Alrighty, so in theory we're all hooked up properly. We've mounted the control box here. We ran the wires along the existing wiring harness, fastening with zip ties, and then we tied into the appropriate places on the existing run capacitor here, and we took these two components out of the loop. It's the start capacitor that won't be used because it's being replaced by the EasyStart. So in theory, we're gonna button this up and give it a test run, and fingers crossed it works.
so we went ahead and Marshall installed my Micro-Air. Everything is working. We've tested it with regular shore power, and now we have the generator on, and we're going to see how this works. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. It's working! Yay! Uh-oh. Can't celebrate too soon. But it's on. We got air coming through. I open this and the generator is still working. So yeah, hopefully now when it's super hot or when I go to a hot destination, I can have air conditioning. Woot!
1, 2, 3.